Hey guys, I'm going to go over whether you can see other people's best friends list on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here. And if I take a quick snap here and tap send to at the bottom right, you can see here I don't have it currently showing up, but a lot of times it will show up with your best friends who you snap with the most. You can send them specific snaps because they are your best friends. You interact with them the most. And then also if you let's go out of here, Brandon, and then go to chat, you'll see some of your best friends on your chat list. So of course you can see your best friends. But if I tap on anybody, let's just tap on a random person here. You can look through their profile, and Snapchat does not share who other people's best friends are. And the reason is Snapchat is founded on privacy and having each person being able to have a private conversation with other people without random third-party people knowing. So there is no way to see the best friends list of any other person unless you are on their phone and on their account, and you look at their profile and see exactly who their best friends are. But as a third party or under a different account, you won't be able to see who their best friends are. Of course, you could always just ask them for a screenshot of their best friends. That's an option. Or to just ask them for their phone. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.